Just a couple of years back, we humans were here. Now, we are here. Some parts of the world are open with minimum restrictions, while some parts are still locked and fighting with mental and financial situations. This is a lesson to learn, but not a cinematic zombies movie to forget. The big question is how to overcome this situation and protect our coming time with any such pandemic. Hello everyone, I'm Sovin from Times of Biotech and we are going to discuss about antimicrobial resistance, a silent emerging pandemic. According to WHO, antimicrobial resistance occurs when bacteria, virus, fungi and parasites change over time and no longer respond to medicine. We are responsible for this spread of antimicrobial resistance. You're asking how? Usually, we never complete the entire course of prescribed medicine. Thus, our gut microbes become resistant towards this medicine. We feed our livestock, poultry birds, aquatic fishes with the feed containing antibiotics. And we also dispose our sewage, pharmaceutical, clinical, and industrial garbage into environment, water bodies. Thus, all these factors lead to the antimicrobial resistance into the bacteria. In simple words, all these factors create selective pressure on bacteria and instigates them to fight against antibiotic. Therefore, either microbes mutate themselves genetically or acquire transposable genes and become resistant, meaning the medicine used to get rid of the disease causing microbes will now be ineffective. If you're thinking, what's the big deal? Doctor will prescribe some other medicine, then let me tell you. Most of these microbes are becoming resistant to multiple drugs and according to one of the report of WHO 2019, out of 32 antibiotics developed against these high risk pathogens, only 6 were innovative and effective. Thus, the number of antibiotics are going down whereas number of resistant microbial species are increasing at an alarming rate, which is a matter of concern. Our scientists and concerning bodies are working hard to find ways to eradicate this problem. In this case, it's important and our duty is to reduce use of antibiotics because we don't want to fight against another pandemic.